Welcome to our hair straightener showcase. Today, we'll explore the top hair straighteners available on Amazon. Discover how these tools can help you achieve smooth, sleek hair with ease and minimal damage. Let's dive in. The BaBylissPRO features smart microchip technology that customizes the heat setting based on your hair type, texture, and length. It offers good heat settings, ensuring optimal styling for all hair types while minimizing damage. The sleek design and ergonomic handle make it easy to use, providing professional results at home. This budget-friendly straightener offers anti-static technology and ceramic plates that reduce frizz and flyaways by washing. With a high heat setting of 60 and quick 70-second heat-up time, it's an excellent choice for those seeking an affordable yet effective tool for daily styling. Known for its lightweight design and ultra-thin plates, this straightener is perfect for those with thick or coarse hair. It heats up to 60 and delivers high-performance results with less effort. The titanium plates provide even heat distribution, reducing the time needed to achieve sleek, straight hair. This straightener features ultrazone predictive technology that adapts to your hair's thickness and styling speed, ensuring consistent heat across the plates. It heats up in 80 seconds and requires only one pass to straighten, making it ideal for quick, efficient styling. The Platinum also comes with a 7-year warranty, providing peace of mind. The Dyson Coral offers innovative flexing plates that conform to your hair, reducing heat damage, while delivering sleek, shiny results. It can be used cordlessly for up to 60 minutes, making it convenient for on-the-go styling, although it's on the pricier side. Its advanced technology and high performance make it worth the investment.